Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes. I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads by a lot. And nobody would suggest that we allow anyone to just build nuclear warheads if they want. That would be insane.
Elon Musk thinks that artificial intelligence is far more dangerous than nukes. There has been a lot of talk about the future of AI and how it's going to impact our lives. While we wait to find out whether AI can and whether it will destroy the world, there are some major real-life changes happening right now. A big area of impact? Your jobs. A report by investment bank Goldman Sachs suggests that AI could replace the equivalent of 300 million jobs worldwide. That's 300 million jobs. Who will be affected? I will share with you 10 professions that will likely be replaced by AI or are already at the verge of extinction. Number 1, media jobs. The emergence of AI technologies like ChatGPT is significantly impacting media jobs, especially in fields like advertising, technical writing, journalism, and certain content creation. AI's proficiency in reading, writing, and understanding text data makes it increasingly relevant in these sectors. AI is so good it could outperform humans in reporting and writing tasks. Already, media outlets like CNET and BuzzFeed are experimenting with AI-generated content, but there are still challenges with accuracy. Specific areas of journalism, like sports reporting, are seeing a bigger impact from AI. For example, an algorithm can check the final score of a football or basketball game and in seconds publish a precise and compelling 500-word sports article. Marketers are also feeling the AI impact. According to Salesforce research, 84% of marketers used AI in 2020, which was a significant jump from 29% in 2019. AI applications like Jasper are revolutionizing content marketing by automating tasks like article writing, email personalization, and SEO. The good news for humans? AI's limitations in producing truly original content mean that human creativity remains crucial, especially in high-quality novel content creation. It's people that work in low-quality content that doesn't require a lot of original thinking that are already seeing a major impact on their work. Number 2, legal roles. We are talking particularly about paralegals and legal assistants. These roles involve processing large volumes of information and creating legal documents. Because such tasks are time-consuming, repetitive, and language-oriented, they can be easily automated with AI. AI technologies from major companies like Amazon, Alphabet, and Microsoft are increasingly automating tasks such as document searching, client coordination, and also general administrative duties. Caution is advised though, as AI-generated legal content may require verification. Recently, 2 New York lawyers were fined for submitting a legal brief generated by ChatGPT that cited 6 legal cases that didn't even exist. Number 3, customer service representative. It's predicted that by 2027, 25% of companies will primarily use chatbots for customer service, reflecting a growing trend of automation in the industry. Customer service roles, not heavily reliant on social or emotional intelligence, are increasingly handled by AI technologies like ChatGPT. These AI tools effectively manage customer requests such as order status and broader customer inquiries. This shift towards automation, including self-checkout systems in retail stores, is reducing the need for human employees in customer service positions. Number 4, computer programmers and coders. AI is proficient in tasks like number crunching and code generation. Some existing AI tools are already capable of creating plugins and services based on user input, and this trend is expected to grow. Different tools have made coding more efficient, allowing programmers to generate code faster. This efficiency boost raises concern about the future of entry-level programming jobs, potentially leading to a new role of prompt engineers who excel in interacting with AI coding tools. There's a debate on whether AI will eventually replace more creative, language-heavy jobs, but its impact on structured, straightforward tasks like coding is increasingly evident. Number 5, graphic designers. The emergence of AI tools like DALL-E and ChatGPT has graphic designers worried. DALL-E's ability to generate diverse image designs from simple prompts has been noted as both impressive and also intimidating. These AI tools, now accessible to the public, are making professional-grade visual creations possible without traditional artistic skills, thus changing the landscape of graphic design and potentially reducing reliance on human designers for certain tasks. Let's try it out. I feel like the world needs a new superhero. What do you think of our new superhero? Smash that like button and comment with your idea for his origin story. Otherwise, I'll have ChatGPT do it for you. Number 6, data analysts. AI is increasingly transforming jobs involving data analysis such as market research. AI obviously excels at analyzing large amounts of data and predicting outcomes. Therefore, it can perform tasks traditionally completed by market research analysts like collecting and interpreting data to design marketing strategies. In today's big data world, organizations are flooded with different data sets like sales figures and also demographic information. AI's ability to quickly and efficiently process and identify trends is incredibly valuable. While there will always be a need for human oversight in high-level analysis and decision-making, AI's capability of processing and organizing data into actionable insights is changing the landscape of research-focused positions, increasingly taking over tasks that once required human involvement. Number 7, factory and warehouse workers. The integration of robotics and AI in the packaging and warehousing industry, particularly by giants like Amazon, signals a significant shift toward automation. Amazon's deployment of over 500,000 robots over the last decade in its fulfillment centers, alongside hiring over 1 million human workers, demonstrates a move toward a hybrid model of human-machine collaboration. However, with advancements in robotics capable of imitating human skill and precision, the reliance on human labor is set to decrease significantly within 5 years. This trend is not limited to Amazon. The entire manufacturing industry is witnessing a surge in AI adoption, enhancing speed, efficiency, and also consistency in operations, thereby reducing the dependency on human labor in logistics and also operational aspects. Number 8, financial traders. ChatGPT is revolutionizing Wall Street jobs from trading to investment banking. Traditionally, investment banks hire college grads and have them perform Excel modeling like robots for 2-3 years. Why hire humans to do robotic tasks when you can actually have AI do these tasks for you? Their efficiency in Excel modeling could put entry-level investment banker roles at risk. Furthermore, AI's capability to quickly analyze markets, predict trends, and maintain higher accuracy than humans, along with cost savings in hiring, suggests that financial trader positions may soon become obsolete. Number 9, accountants. Accounting, traditionally seen as a stable profession, also faces disruption. Brad Carraway, an associate professor at the University of Toronto, highlighted in a Global News radio interview that what he calls intellectual labor, including accounting professions, is increasingly at risk. The primary concern is that routine tasks in accounting, such as bookkeeping and payroll processing, can be efficiently managed by AI-driven software. These tools, including Microsoft Office, FreshBooks, QuickBooks, are not only cost-effective compared to human labor, but also minimize the risk of human error. This trend toward automation is draining the talent pools of accounting firms. Number 10, radiologists. In 2016, Geoffrey Hinton, an award-winning computer scientist, boldly claimed that radiologists should stop training as AI-powered algorithms were already beating them at detecting diseases in medical imaging. By 2019, AI radiologists outperformed human counterparts in identifying cancer, reducing false positives by 11% and catching 5% more cases. Now, are all radiologists doomed? Well, the ones who are not willing to embrace AI certainly are. Radiologists who incorporate AI will outshine those who don't. The interaction between human expertise and AI innovation promises to reshape radiology for the better. And that can be said for many of the fields I discussed today. Simple, labor-intensive, highly repetitive tasks will be taken over by AI, no question about it. Will people lose their jobs? Most definitely, especially if they refuse to adopt the new technology. But AI will also create new jobs requiring different skill sets. So the future is here. It's time for reinvention for all of us now.